Hello everyone, welcome to my video presentation of Digital Design Term project. My name is Mehmet Kısmet. My project is about the Morse code converter. What's Morse code converter is when you push a button on the keyboard and the buses to demonstrate on the 7-segment display what you pushed on the keyboard, and the Morse code conversion of this letter is demonstrated on the LEDs which is in front of the switches. My term project includes third VHDL modules, which are keyboard module, general module, clock divider, and the pin configuration. First of all, I am planning to design a keyboard module. Keyboard module beneficial to us to take input from the user and the process to understand what I push the letter. Since when I push the letter on the keyboard sends to buses to 11 digits, 11 bits signal, which includes 1 bit is the start. The 8 bits are the identifying what the letter that I pushed on the keyboard. One letter is parity check, and the last 1 bit is the parity check, and the last bit is the stop bit. Parity check means parity check is the most important thing to taking input from the keyboard. Since parity check means when I push a button, it converts a signal, and signal includes digits. And when the digits of the number, whether even or odd, it determines the error or not error. Another my module is clock divider. Clock divider, as we previously did for the lab sessions, and mostly it's the same. I divide the clock into 3 to use other modules and each of the module. And finally, I put the general module. I put the clock divider keyboard module on the general module. Here. At the end of the general module, I will display the 7-segment on what I pushed on the letter is showed on the multiple 7-segment display, and the conversion of this letter onto Morse code is demonstrated by the LEDs, which are explained and coded on the general module at the last of the general module. And the pin configuration allows us to determine what is the exact place of the used components. For instance, the L14, H12, and 14, for instance. What I used on the basic keyboard are correlated to the pin configuration, and result of my code is that here is the Morse alphabet, and when I push the button, it corresponds to the alphabet. For instance, the letter of R. The letter of R, in that matter, 1 point and two dots symbolize a line, and the other one is correlates 1 dot. This means 1 dot, 1 line, and 1 dot. In the edge of R, 1 dot, 1 line, 1 dot. It corresponds to Morse alphabet conversion. For instance, the other example is letter of A. Letter of A in this demonstration, 1 dot and 1 line. If we see this, 1 dot and 1 line. At the last example, for instance, the letter is B. This means 1 line, 1 dot, 1 dot, 1 dot. This means one line, one dot, one dot, one dot. So it corresponds to Morse code alphabet. And finally, my RTL schematics are my keyboard module. Keyboard module takes input from my letters from push the button. It takes clock, and what I push the button, it reads what I push the button, and it convert the data. Also, my general module is again take input clock, and its output is the 7-segment display, general 7-segment display, and the LEDs. Thank you for